What's your big news? What's your big exciting news?
Today's Kung Fu Gundam.
Kung Fu Gundam.
Yeah, it's literally Kung Fu Gundam. It's a ninja's idea.
Kung Fu Gundam.
Yeah, it's somehow it's just like very well defining this gun plus series.
Okay. But before we go into these, I want to tell the big exciting news that we're going to reveal today is Hearns has now, as of 2 p.m. today, just launched, when the show started, launched a massive sale on Gundam. And it's up to 30% off.
30%?
Yeah, just about off the entire range. Okay, it is going to be in selected, but there's a few that miss out, but anything basically that we've got in stock, that we've got good numbers on, to make sure nobody misses out, it's all at 30% off. So go to our website or come in store. The sale is only going to last for 7 days. We're going to smash it out on social media, and we're going to clear out heaps of Gundam. So check that out, guys. If you're into Gundam, this is the sale you do not want to miss out on. Getting into robots in space on Earth in the future right now has never been easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
All right. Tell me what you got for me, John.
So today's
Kung Fu Gundam.
Yep, there's a Kung Fu Gundam. So it's quite so this guy to be like making short, it just like instead of go shooting each other, this guy just go close range and then punch each other.
Okay, punch each other. So they don't have weapons. Like they don't have guns or lasers.
No, they have no gun stuff. They do have a sword. They do have like some laser sword with like a beam saber or something, but like no guns.
No guns.
Just punching.
Yep.
So that's what I like.
And there's one with a claw. You showed me one with a claw.
This one is the one with a claw.
Oh, this is the one with a. There you go.
Yeah. So we for this one, so we have two of this Kung Fu Gundam I was talking about.
Yep.
One is the Burning Gundams.
Burning Gundam.
And one is the Master Gundams, which is including with a horse.
Comes with a horse.
Yeah, it's come with a horse here.
All right. Well, that's the one we're going to unbox today. I want to have a look at the one with a horse because I've never seen a horse in a Gundam kit. So you basically get 2 kits in one.
Yeah, that's right. That's it. But like so.
And these are from the same series.
Yeah, it's
Future Century.
Yeah, it's a different universe in the Gunpla series.
And these will be the ones with all the silver stripe on the box, right?
Yep.
All the silver stripe on the box. That's how I learn it. Will be the Future Century series.
It is true.
And there's how many kits are there in the series? Come on, I'll ask you some technical questions now.
Oh, there's literally a lot of them.
So well, this one's 128. Is that really how many kits there are in the series, or
no? It's just like sometimes it's just like different in because the silvers they also come with the CE universe as well, which is a different universe.
Different universe. So it has slightly different artwork.
Yeah. So this not an artwork, it's a total different series.
Yeah, that's what I wrote, but it's a little bit different on there. And it's got the dot on the box too, right?
Yep.
The colored dot.
Yeah, so I think the colored dot doesn't affect it much, but like
makes it easy to find on the shelf for me.
It is true.
All right, let's have a look at that one. Let's have a look at the horse Gundam. What's he called again?
Master Gundam.
Master Gundam. Gonna go to the overhead one?
Yeah. So let's open this one first.
Yep.
So we have just cutting the runner first. We have 1 runner, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 runners here. So
not heaps of runners.
Yes.
What did you say?
For a high grade is literally a very good amount of runners.
Yeah.
So like I'm saying, this one includes two parts. One is a Master Gundam, which is this guy.
Yep.
And one is the horse. We often say it's like a Fujimaru.
Fujimaru.
Yeah. Oh, Funsaki. My bad. Funsaki.
Funsaki.
Yeah, it's a kind of Funsaki. So for a Master Gundams, we have a total like 5 runners. This guy includes winning the cape, which is like the most amazing part about this Master Gundams. This guy, his
cape, is it?
Yeah, it's like a cape.
Wow.
So the cape is like functions like this one. Here's the cape.
You can show them the overhead one.
Yeah, so here's the cap.
Wow, it's a big piece, no?
Yeah, it's covered the whole bodies of the Master Gundam. And then we also
got a big pink hand.
Yeah, it's like a flame hand, like you might
burning.
Yeah, like literally burning.
Oh,
So you
that's
can like
what they call it. But it's not like the Burning Gundam.
yeah, it'd be like
That's after he's been hit.
so literally the guys who ride this gunpla is a master of that guys.
Oh, okay.
So that guy shared like literally the same technique.
Is he a baddie?
He's a baddie.
He looks like a baddie.
He is a baddie. So he's the
Is that the pilot, or is this the guy?
yeah, he's a pilot for this. That's the guy that Master
He
Gundam.
looks like a baddie.
It is.
Hey, what a cool suit! I want to get a suit like that. What do you reckon? I reckon it look cool.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
I reckon when I go cosplay, I'm gonna go as this guy.
Yeah. So some cool move after this.
That's right.
Yep. So continue with this one. So like I'm saying, this guy is like a Kung Fu Gundams. Just for a name, you can see it's like what kind of movement you can go with the gunpla already.
Yep.
So this gunpla is meant to be for very large movements.
Large movements.
Yeah. So you can like literally you can do like every movement with this guy.
Okay.
Like
So if you're into stop anime or something like that, it's a really good Gundam to get for this.
it is true. Because like sometimes gunpla is not that the movement of gunpla is not that good. But for this one it's very good because
Very good.
yeah. So I would say you can do many poses for this guys.
Lots of poses.
Yep.
He could just about do the splits.
Yeah, he can do like his leg can bend to like 80 degree.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go. He can do the splits. I was just being silly, but I'd never seen a Gundam do the splits before.
Yes.
And then the build, is it very typical of Gundam?
Yeah, the build is like very typical. So we like every gunpla, you have the main bodies, but for this one you had the cap, which is can cover the host body, and his cap can bend, can like just like make it smaller, so you can go for like a wings.
Oh, I can make it like wings too.
Yeah.
And it's not the soft plastic like I've seen on the other ones.
Yeah.
You know, some of them have like the rubber plastic.
It is
so
true.
It's quite a stiff. But what a beautiful color too.
Yeah, this one is like for some part the wings it's kind of like a matte paint for this one, but like for the bodies you have to have like a glossy one.
Gloss one, yeah.
Yeah, so it's like kind of reflections.
Yeah, it really gets into the reflections and I suppose the layers or the textures, right? That's how they create textures. And here we look at that big flaming hand.
Yeah, that's
it's massive. He's got little hands and a big hand.
Yeah, so it's like the two of his techniques, like two different techniques. So you can see like this one in the instructions.
Look at that, got little normal Gundam hands.
Yeah.
They got a big massive hand.
Yeah, it's like the
hand of God.
Yeah, it's like the God hand. So you see this one, right? It is meant to be like create the visions of the TV scenes.
Ah, the TV scenes, right?
Yeah. So they try to make like use the big hand one to make like the reflections in a TV.
Hang on, let me get. There we go.
Yep. So we have for this series we have Shining Gundam, Burning Gundam, and Master Gundam, right? So
Okay.
this scenes, the big end one is try to recreate the scenes from the with the battle with the Shining Gundam.
Okay.
So which is a cool move. And then we have the other stuff with the Burning Gundam as well. So these guys, the Burning Gundams and Master Gundams are two main Gundam here.
They're the two main ones.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Oh, one cool thing about this one is since this guy came with a horse, right?
Yeah.
Which is the white part is for the horse one. The horse Gundam, the horse can share with the Burning Gundam.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the Burning Gundams can ride the horse as well.
Okay, so you can have two Gundams riding the same horse.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's very value for this. Recommend. So for the horse, like here, mostly is the white part, and then we also have some red part for the head one.
Yeah.
So the
I can see here, yeah, it's got red on here.
Yeah, it's like a unicorn, right?
It's like a unicorn.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it about like mostly about Master Gundam and then the Fujinki.
Yeah.
So we have the one Gundam, one horse, which is very cool about this one. We also have a lot of effect, so we can create like a lot of scenes. You can do a lot of pose with this guy. So I totally recommend this one for like for builders who want to like do the different cool pose like his gunplas. This one will be the one I recommend for this guy.
And as of now, it's probably 30% off.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Even more valuables.
That's right.